What's the deal? How we doing, gang? Wait, why are you playing so loud? All right. How we doing? Yeah, guys, a lot of you in here really quickly today. I just realized I never heard the song that comes after the intro song, and that shit's a banger, right? A lot of likes for that song. I seen you dancing in the chat. What up, Zoom gang? Hold on. What's the deal? How's everybody doing? Survived the day. Assassins have failed. We are back. Chat. It's the last Asian session in this office. Here. You going up? Are you going over here? Okay. I just got invited for a J. Smoke that shit out before leaving? Nah, I can't do that. Okay, I will. Talk me into it. I'm gonna miss this spot. Or maybe not. I don't know. It was a good 2 years in here. I have the first question. Where is the closest liquidity location? See, I don't like that question because I gave you guys more credit. I was really expecting you guys to come in here from this morning and just continue the copy pasta. But it's all right. I thought that was really going to be the first comment today on the stream. They know the drugs. I just got invited to go smoke a joint. What drugs are you talking about? There's no active ingredient. It just grow like that. Oh, there we go. Are you using? Can anyone say? You are using. Can anyone say? That's what it was. You are using. Can anyone say? Yeah, I thought that one was gonna come out with that one first. Drugs are like active ingredient type of shit. Like, gotta cook it or like, I don't know. What did Cat Williams say? You gotta put it on a spoon, heat it up, son. I don't know the recipe. I'm just saying. That guy was so flustered in the chat. I know he kept asking. He was pissed. Anyway, let's get into a breakdown. Oh wait, no, let's do a breakdown. Then I'll go smoke. So daily closed at a resistance, but closed bullish. I think we should still come up after a bottom wick, but the daily bottom wick has to happen. So if we're expecting a daily bottom wick and the 4 hour doesn't have a bottom wick, which means we can expect the next 4 hour to break this current 4 hour low before driving up, which also means we have a resistance and we have a support. So I would say we have created a range. Now that we've created a range, we can kind of drop down here to the smaller time frames and see where we can get the hell out of this range, or how we can trade to the bottom wick. Okay, so the hourly, perfect. Right here, I'm gonna look for the hourly or the 30 to respect these areas. Same idea, to take a sell and drive down for the daily bottom wick, at which point we'll make another decision whether we want buys or we're going to continue bearish. But I will look for us to tap 47.47, and after that we will look at the 5 and we will look at some pineapples if needed. All right, but we will look at the 5 for entry with the higher time frames respecting resistance. So if the higher time frames are going to respect resistance. Oh wait, a lot of people with the waiting room. Come on in. Good security at the door here. So beautiful. Need a raise. Yeah, come up here, right? This area's oh, not good. No bueno. We obviously want to respect this area on the hourly. Right? Want to come up here and close out, respecting this area on the hourly. Right. If we can do that, we will look for the next hourly to make a bottom wick. Right? How is that going to make a bottom wick? You're going to see the 5-minute or the 15 or the 30 drive up out of this range and come back in the range. So we will look for some zucchinis or the motion to play out, right? Once we get this, we will look for this top wick. Come down, entry somewhere in here on a smaller time frame. When it comes back in range here, it's probably going to look like this. Right, and as the next candle, you're going to see a respect of this area on the smaller time frame. As the next candle comes up, look for sells here, back down in range, and this is what it's going to look like on the hourly versus the 15 or the 5, depending on how we print. We'll see. All right, so that's what we're looking for. Oh, shit, I'm getting called again, chat, right? So just chill out. That's the breakdown. That's what we're going to look for to come down. For now, just chill. Oh, this is a good roll. You hold the runner from the trade earlier? No. 19 pips it was. Wait, no, hold on. How much was it? 16 pips. What I see, I just told you what I'm looking for. I want us to come up and retest these highs. And then I will look for a sell. And if it doesn't happen here, I mean, it might happen for London. I'm still like, I'm moving stuff around. I'm probably going to be like, I'm barely going to sleep. I'm moving stuff all night. And then tomorrow I'm going to do a stream. I'm probably going to be over here, still in this office for a New York session. And then start moving everything. Damn. Mitty Anderson. Sounds like a you problem. I'm saying. Well, I'll go on, man. Everything Irie. Hi, bro. Can you look at GJ?
How about no?
Looks, where the weed at, bro? I just burned a fat Jamaican. Actually, I just left it over there. There's someone else smoking it. What was the Twitter space? Oh, I think Don is there right now with Marcos. He didn't drop me a link. I'm gonna see if he wants to drop me a link right now. Or if anyone has a link, drop it. Actually, no. Fuck that. I don't trust none of you with links. No more. None of that no more. I'm gonna get it from the source. Only the source. Not tired of dealing with assholes on stream. And I'm not talking about chat. Alright? So no more. Yo. Shamshad. Why are you cursing at me for? What'd you say fuck me for? You guys are funny. Nah, I can't do this, chat. I'm gonna go finish the rest of that J. That's it. Will take a loss on that sell in New York, or did he hold throughout the news? What? This morning? This morning he took a W. Everybody took a W. Full of lessons. This is interesting. We kind of have a... We gotta just get a bottom wick because we have the motion playing out here, right? But there's no bottom wick on this candle. It's tough. It's very interesting right here. So it should come up. So if there was a bottom wick here, tap in these areas right here. I would look for a sell, for a buy, I'm sorry. If we could have matched that wick. Just driving straight up. Need a Marley sound every time you spark. Oh, I got the light sound.
Just give me the light.
GJ, man, some shot.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
Holy Spirit sound is better. Oh yeah, I got that one. This is every time. We can't play it right now. I'm not lighting J. I mean, this might flip and retest the lows here. I don't know. I don't want to take a position here in the middle of this higher time frame range. And I know the 5 has a resistance and a support, and you could take advantage of the small time frame, but I'm really looking for this position here. I want some sells at 40. Even better if we could break below 42 and go further down. How do you play these sounds, and how do you remember them? What do you have? It's oh, awesome! Thank you, appreciate it. Back-to-back L's are not a thing in this community. No, I got my stream deck right here. See? I can go. Look, I got this thing right here. All right, you see it? See that? And then I just click on my nose right there. And then I go to little thing that says sound effects. And then I got a whole bunch of sound effects right here. A whole bunch right there. Boom. And a whole bunch right there. Boom. And a whole bunch right there. Besides the fact that there's a whole bunch of sound effects on this screen as well. So, and they have a name, so I don't need to remember what each button does. And very simple. He's also a really good ventriloquist. Press that one. Does it say water filled? What's the streak here? We are 8 and a break even. 8 or 7, honestly. I don't remember. Or 9. We're somewhere up there. You got a like for me for this? Awesome. Chat, drop a like and sub to the channel if you're new here. Or if you're not new here but haven't subbed yet. So it brings in the audience. Right? You guys like the stream, sub to the channel. YouTube recommends this to more like-minded people. They join us. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? All right. I mean, let's see. We'll see if we can take advantage of something. So if we can close bullish with a top wick here, next candle can open up with a bottom wick. Well, actually, hold on. Let's see. This is a 30. No, that would mean the hourly would flip. Nope. Sorry. Scratch that. Get the likes up. Straight cheese, Dawson. Appreciate you. You are my God. Holy wicks. So the 30 closed bullish above the most recent range. Let's see how this opens up. Will it continue driving the hourly up? No. $45, 607. Yeah, it's smaller time frame resistance. Yeah. Level here. See what happens here. So market does drive above here. So I don't doubt that we can come up and continue driving to 1960s area. 63, 66 area. I don't doubt that we can come up there. But in order to come up there, look where it drives from. It drives from these areas. From 42,365. Right? So this is why I want to see us at 48.1 because I want to see how we react there. Once we come up there, if we reject, we're heading back down to 42 area. If it breaks, it's up to 60s. So this, I just want to see how we react at this area. We could see some kind of motion printed. We might see this session just trickle up. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Let's check the 23-minute time frame, chat. Never lies. Never lies. Go. Yeah, we're respecting the small time frame resistance. Let's see what happens. Maybe we can retest 42,365 here. Create a daily bottom wick. Thing is, daily flips, we might see a repeat of what happened here. So I really want to take sells. I want daily to come up here and then take sells because we might get a repeat of this. We might also get a repeat of all this right here. But only after it comes down and grabs liquidity. S&P crash next week, go higher, drop. I don't know, we'll see. Why are you moving? Because every time it rains, this office floods. Like, literally, remember last time we had a fucking storm? I was sitting here in like 2 inches of water. Man, floating. Oh shit, what's up with the camera? That was a really good impression of someone floating, but you guys missed it because the camera moved. Oh well. Can't rewind live. You can't leave without having someone take over. Okay. I'll let you take over, but you're always trolling. So, I don't know. Ooh. That one hasn't been asked in a while. How long did it take you to become profitable? We have a new viewer, chat. Let's all welcome them in. I'll be nice. That hasn't been asked in a long time. Maybe a couple of years. I'd say 2 years. No, I'm sorry. I would say longer. I got consistent in 2 years. I'd say profitable, maybe about 3. Think he's bad? What's a pineapple? Been trading 4 years, now 5K overall. That's not bad. People go to college for 4 years and they're down like 400,000 or 500,000. I'd say you ahead of the game by $500,000. See? Because now you're learning this. Once you get good at this, you don't have to pay back no tuition. No loans, nothing. I mean, unless he took some loans doing this, but... interest, no loan. Top 3 mistakes in trading. Okay, these aren't in any order. They're not in any specific order. Putting down an insane amount of money to learn, right? Losing an insane amount of money to learn, just not knowing what risk management was. So, and I had a pretty good sense of risk management beforehand. It's just, I didn't understand it when it came to Forex. So I burned way too much money that had no business being spent. Number 2, here's the thing. Okay. Number 2, I'd say would be taking people's money to trade for them. I remember taking my friend's money to grow their account, and it was the worst experience ever. Don't do it. Like, if you're profitable, whatever money you're getting, there's other ways of getting it done. Like, go open up a PAM. Just whatever, right? Don't. That was a big one. And number 3, I don't even know what order these in. What happened after you blew up the account? No, it wasn't about blowing up the account. It was about just, it doesn't build a good vibe and relationship. It ended up being so stressful, and I was just like, no, we're done. I don't know. It was a long road. It's still a long road. There's mistakes made all the time, right? I don't know. There's trading mistakes, right? Just dumb things like margining out accounts, right? One after one. Like, there's a lot of dumb things, like, but they're all learning experiences. If you don't do it, man, you don't learn. You don't get that knowledge guided by experience. Over here, you want that first-hand knowledge. You don't want the second-hand knowledge. Don't you have an uncomfortable? No, it was good money. It's a shitty vibe. Yeah, especially when it's like someone that doesn't know trading, someone that just sees numbers on a screen, but like pays attention to numbers. Like, position would open and be like, yo, what are you doing? Why? Explain. I was like, yo, you don't even understand this. Just chill. I'd be getting calls like, are you thinking of opening positions here? I was like, no. Not even on the... On my account and my modals, only 30. And your morals, what should I do? Drop your lots. Yeah, you're supposed to make this as stress-free and as, clear-headed as possible. Just high-quality decision time, chat. All right? I've decided to make a high-quality decision. I don't know about quality, but high decision for a fact. Calling me. Forgot my lighter. Fuck. It's gonna be a fun evening. Chat, we're gonna welcome in the 4-hour close here together. Celebrate the new 4-hour. We'll sing songs, we'll hug, we'll dance, we'll cheer. Happy new 4-hour. It's coming. We'll even do a countdown at 8:59. This hit. Smoke got him. It did get me.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
Got a holy joint, but no lighter? Nah. Gonna celebrate the new 4-hour like it's New Year's. 45.58 if it keeps rejecting. This one closes below 42.365. Are there possibilities to drop to 3.6? Sure. You're gonna need to see the 4-hour start closing below this area, below 42. Because until it closes, so only for London, because until it closes, the next 4-hour can just be a bottom wick to drive up. Look how bullish this is right now. So I think the next 4 hours is going to continue this up. It's going to need to grab liquidity, come down, make a bottom wick and drive up. Unless this closes respecting this area just like it is right now, and then we're stuck in a range, probably through London, maybe New York. A lot will depend on how this 4-hour that's going to open right now will close at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Eastern. It's a cold world out there. Free on, my boy. Free on. All right, cool. Snoop Dogg, Wiz Khalifa. I think I would find the most common ground, like with Wiz, maybe, or with Seth. I don't know. I don't think like I would have a lot in common with them. It's tough. Baser sales. Oh. That crowd is here, huh? Oh. Welcome to the Zoom. More Zoom people. Got your new Supreme shirt today. Hope you didn't get it off like goat? No, the goat's good. What was the other one? Fuck, I forgot what it's called. Eminem's one. One biggest thing that's stopping you from becoming profit. I don't know. It's irrelevant, bro. It's not. That's not going to be the same thing that's stopping you. Right? You don't have my life. You don't have my issues. You don't have my support systems. Not saying you don't have them. I'm saying they're not. We're not the same. No one is. No one on the stream is the same. Like we all have, we're coming from different things. We're going through different things, and we've been raised differently to have different tolerance for risk, for happiness, sadness, for control. It's really individualistic. So whatever my answer is in that case, it's really irrelevant. If trading didn't exist, what would you be doing? Be in the NBA. Like if I had my choice, right? Jet fighter pilot? Nah, I'm good. I like the ground, yo. I'm not big on water or air or like. I like the ground. That's my shit. Grass, my shit. Even concrete sometimes, like we good. Palm trees. I am not trying to fucking fly 50,000 feet in the air at fucking Mach 2 looking like, you okay? Yep. Fuck that. Bro, did you know Uzbekistan? No, I've never met him. But you guys do make some really fire pilaf, rice pilaf. Really good. And some really good mante. Those are delicious. Just in range, doing everything on London or something. Yeah, that's what's happening. Waiting on this 4-hour close here. No, the shit missed us. For now. Hit Tampa. Even Don used the wizard buttons? No. Australia. There's a lot of Aussies in here. Really? you were using a 10K prop firm account, what would your lot size be? 0.3. Should I have a cooking stream with Wix? Already cooking. What are the sources from which you learn trading? It's right here. It's in front of you. Your MT5 terminal. And your trading view. Seen Roger Banks pop earlier, not on here. I think he popped up in the morning stream. Well, I know he popped up in the morning stream. Maybe not up here. Probably sleeping right now. What time is it over there? My phone, I haven't been able to turn it on the last 20 minutes. Just bugging out, just loading. Stop loading. What are you loading? Who's spying on me? Oh. Yeah. A lot of people in the Zoom here. I feel like most of these, the same reason most of these viewers can't get trading is the same reason they can't like the stream. Why? Lazy? They don't understand? I don't know. They don't want to show love? I don't know. I feel like people need to be reminded to like the stream, but they also need to see value from the stream in order to like it, because that's what's expected, right? There's different expectations here than if I was like a, you know, a lifestyle streamer or something. Like here, bought my new yoga pants, and I went to, you know what I'm saying? I'd be like, all right, those are cool. I'm gonna drop a like, but over here, like I could show you yoga pants all day, and I ain't getting no likes. I'm gonna have to perform over here, right? I gotta be able to do winning trades on stream. Oh, fuck. It's already not, you know, I forgot. I forgot to hit up Don. It's alright. Is anyone watching that? Wish I had a link. What are we waiting for? Um, I'm waiting for my positions to set up, Christian. We discussed it earlier. Maybe we'll see how this hourly opens. I know we're above the most recent levels, but we're not above the overall here. All right. 4 hour just opened up. Straight up. We can drive up about 25 pips here. We'll look for sells. If we never come down and tap 42 areas, if we come down before that, let's see how we form here. Google really is listening. Yay. W Google. Welcome, Jan, or Jan, or Jan, not sure. But welcome. A lot of bullish volume. Like previous candle, no bottom wick either, just straight up. Let's see. And then, why do we close respecting this area? Yeah, I believe liquidity is above 48.16. Should clear this up, but I mean clear this range up, but it's just not gonna do it with any indication of that it's doing that. No bottom wicks, nothing. Oh, excuse me. You trade US 30? No, you know what? I was looking at it last year, and then instead of adding things, we just got rid of things. We got rid of GJ. Now we're going to be the best that we can be at gold. Is that what you're looking for, Don? Or 7.69? Looking at these areas here, like 4883. I want to be above that range, because if we're wrong, we have, you know, we're mitigating risk. Over here, it's going to be tough if we're wrong. But the probability is on your side, though, because of the bottom wicks that need to be made in order to drive from this area. Let's see. You're going to need to come down, tap there, grab liquidity. I have to come down, make some bottom wicks here. If we were playing connect the dots, that's what Don would be showing you, but I'm not. Well, you guys can all see it. The 1 hour candle, what you say? This is a pullback? Oh. To flip bearish? Yeah, it'd be nice, but I'd want it to break some highs here. Yeah, the 5 might close with no top wick, but right now it's irrelevant in the grand scheme of things. Well, for me personally. Maybe you're not wrong. For me though, ideally, it fills the range up. Oh. What's your thoughts on limiting yourself to 1 pair only? That's what I do. I have nothing but good things to say about it. I'm not telling you it's the only way, the right way. There is no right way. There is your way, right? My way is 1 pair. Gold. I'm gonna master the shit out of this. The 1 hour onion is right here. And then when this candle flipped here, that's your buy. And then you sat through some of this. That was your 1 hour onion. Thanks for that one, little kid. I'll log that one away. Yeah.
You ain't got the answers, man. You ain't got the answers.
You gonna do me like that? I woke up thinking about violence. Oh man, coming at me over there. Damn. Fresh Nike socks. Yeah. Yeah, 666 viewers. Some of y'all better leave right now. No, we need more people. Go invite some people. Let's not be stuck on this number. Oh, as soon as I said that, 15 dropped. No, come back. I don't know if gold will take out previous daily highs. I don't know. see what happens. Yeah, different background incoming. Next agent session, fresh new view tomorrow. I'm gonna try I'm gonna try my best to have an agent session tomorrow. But if not, yeah, the private gang, the Sunday Unfiltered, the private gang is gonna be hosted in the new office. But it's not gonna be in my place yet. I'm staying somewhere for a couple of weeks. My place isn't ready until like mid-September. GG kind of range right now, but I'm about to swing trade to buy overnight. Here's the profits once I'll evoking. You are gambling. What are your reasons for entering the trade? What are your confirmations? What's your setup? Right? Or what's your setup? What's your confirmation? What's your range? What's your stop? What's your TP? Why is your stop there? Why is your TP there? At which point will you manage risk if it doesn't go your way? At which point will you manage TP or stops if it does go your way? Ow. Fucking mosquito. No, I'm not in any positions right now. What do you think about moving averages and pivot point? I used to trade moving averages when I just started. That was the first thing I learned. I learned the EMA crossover with the Fibonacci pullback and the RSI. Those are the first things. And then the Bollinger Bands and fucking Ichimoku clouds. Harmonics, fucking Batman signals. It's crazy. It's crazy what's out there. EMAs and fibs are goated. I don't know. Have you ever done a prop firm challenge? Actually, I have. I've done a Who did you do it with? I did it with FTMO, and I did one with, what's the other company? With Alpha. I did those two. FTMO one, I passed in 8 days. And so I was gonna do a vlog, honestly. So I'm gonna give you guys the behind the scenes of what was going on. So like a couple of months ago, like 3 months ago, there was a bunch of conversations of people like working out strategies, and I had no money to buy a challenge, all that. So I was gonna do a vlog about buying the cheapest challenge available, right? I don't remember what it was, but I think it was I don't remember how much it cost, but it was a 10K challenge on FTMO. and then I was gonna pass that, and then grab my very first payout and buy the top challenge possible, and then get the payout on that, and then put that into a personal account and show that you can build a personal account. And FTMO, I passed in, yeah, it was like $160, $150. It was cheap. And I did that in 8 days, and it took another, so over there you can get a payout, like I think a week or 2 weeks. It was the first payout I was eligible for, like in like 12 days or something like that, or 2 weeks after I got the account. And I got my first payout, and it was like $700 or $800 in like 10 days on a 10K account. And as soon as I could do a payout, I did that, and I bought the Alpha Challenge, and I passed phase 1 in I think 9 days, and I lost the challenge on the 5% daily, and then I figured out how I would trade it if I were to do a challenge, how I would do it again. I lost it on the second one on phase 2. But I was trying to do, it was I have a lot of it vlogged, right? I have a lot of it video. I just don't have an editor. But that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna show you that you can do it, but it was my first experience, right? I had no idea what the drawdowns, or I didn't even think about it. I just figured, and like that's why I can talk about these accounts now, because I've experienced, like I realized how their drawdown limits work and all of that. I mean, it's not optimal for, I would say this, it's not optimal for a seasoned trader, and like it's not how I would trade my own funds, right? But it's optimal. It's good for, they're not bad rules for new traders, right? I figured like if I could implement those rules in my trading the first few years when I just started without the funded challenge, I would have been further ahead. But yeah, I haven't, those are the only two I've done. So like when I'm talking about time frames, I'm just basing it on stuff that I was seeing, right? What you know now, using the motion, how would you size on a funded? You guys just asked me, I answered. You said on a 10K, what would your lot size be? I'd say 0.3. %5 daily drawdown. Well, no, it's irrelevant in the grand scheme of things, because you also have unlimited amount of time, right? So just drop your lots, and if you're winning, you're winning, right? It'll take you longer. You'll see. But I don't know if it'll take you longer, because you can expect some runners now the way we trade. Yeah, you get some bigger drawdown, but you also get bigger wins. 10, 12 pips. $200K account, 5 lots. All right, what are we doing here? Are we coming up? Come down? We just gonna drive through. We reject here. Possible. Don't reject here. We drive. This is so tough. Great. Certification of Adobe Premiere. Edit your videos. Alright, start. We can talk. Or just DM me later. I see you. He's waving. What's up, man?
Yo, what's up?
Just DM me if you could edit shit. We'll talk.
Yeah, I'll DM you. I've been editing since I was in 8th grade. That was like over 10 years ago.
8th grade over 10 years ago?
I'm 25.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, I'll DM you.
Nope. What else we got on here? Hey, what up, Zoom gang? Just as soon as I say that, Janez just popped out of nowhere. What up? Yeah, there's a lot of them. Whole crowd over here. I just tell everybody to unmute. How do I do that? I gotta go one by one.
What's up?
Gang? How's everyone doing?
What's happening, then?
There he is.
What's going on?
And as you ready for these positions today? You might get some buys too.
Yeah, it's not looking too bad. I had sells as soon as I jumped off strain yesterday. Like as soon as I left the strain, volume came in.
Nice. What'd you catch?
It was the sells at. I'll tell you my entry.
How many pips you got?
Oh, it was like I think it was only like 12 pips.
All right.
Crazy.
Ooh, farms in Cali. I like how that sounds. You had shorts last night?
Yeah. Trying to find the entry.
Trading the pullbacks. Wix9 and Donvo have both helped increase my confidence in entering and exiting trades. Forever grateful. Y'all need to visit my farms. Where is it? Where is it? Like Northern Cali? Where in Cali are you?
Yeah, my entry yesterday was at 1938.74. It was a pretty good wick entry. And I closed partials at 13. Yeah.
Where the hell did you get in here yesterday? You took a sell on this wick right here, and it came down, and then it came back up.
Yeah, I closed I close as it tapped into a 5-minute range, or close partials and move stops to break even.
Oh, nice. You were, yeah, I get it, because you're expecting this wick to be the top wick to continue down, like something that we're looking for here. But you know what? I think if we get over here, it's a little tough, because I think if we close above here. All right, chat, hold on, stop. Don't lose your fucking mind right now. We can wait for the song. I think if we close above here, it's going to be really key here. We're going to drive up, because we keep driving from this area very recently. Like, see? Just drive straight out. I think we might test 54 before coming down. It's highly possible. Or if it might be our last chance at a pineapple at 54, but highly likely we reject at 54. But over here, if we close above, we might just make a bottom wick and fill the range up to 54. So I think you're going to need to see higher time frame closures, whether it's the hourly and then the 30 and the 15 start playing with the top wick and moving bearish. Otherwise, 4 hour by 1 a.m. closes above 48.16. You're going to have a bottom wick and a drive up 54, 56 area. Key, very key. London's going to be interesting. Just more than I can say for this Asian session for now. All right, chat, go ahead. Lose your fucking mind. How much more liquidity can I have? How much more can I grab? Yeah. So this is the song that comes after that song that we never get to hear this, chat. As soon as that song's over, everybody's talking shit. Let's listen to the good songs here. Just a listening party. China's here for promo. Hell yeah. Hey, it's tough. The grind is not easy. Chat, Janez will be streaming London session. Go sub to his channel real quick. I don't have a link. You can post the link. Did you get some subs yesterday? Oh, why is he muted again? Why are you muted?
Yeah. I went from like 500 to 560, I think.
Ooh, nice.
Just from the shout out.
That's a good dub. It's not easy. especially that first 1,000's tough, but then it kind of gets going.
Mm.
I mean, the key is really just showing up every day, and if you can show value every day, just go.
It's got to be consistent.
Consistency is key. Yeah. Drop a like, sub to the channel here, and then go to Janez's link right there and sub to his channel. You'll know when he's on with the rest of the Devious gang. If you can't sleep, he's on. For the London people. But my ass gonna be past that. Oh, today? No, I'm gonna be moving stuff right now after this for a little while. I got some stuff I need to wrap. As soon as we wrap this up here, I'm gonna go wrap other things up. Wrap and roll. Coming up. At 30 close. Just doing its rounds. Doing that 25 pips up that we needed. No entry here. None whatsoever. Be patient, chat. Here's the thing. Once you're up here, it's decision making time. You close above on the hourly. Highly likely you see the next hourly and give you a bottom wick drive up. If you close respecting the hourly level at 47.5, 47.7. Ideally, the hourly closes with no top wick. You can look for a top wick after that and have shorts. Outside of that, there's nothing else. So let's see what this hourly can do. You see one. What up, Wix 12? How can I help you? Those are beautiful. Wow. Why are you not sleeping? Why are you wearing pretty shoes? Oh, this is a baby toy. This is a baby Einstein. You played with this when you were a baby. It's old. See? It works. That's Mozart. Go.
They still the press that looks really good.
Get an entry here, Don?
How you know I'm thinking about it, but no, I'm waiting for 1947.699 for the retracement all the way to the daily flip on my hold. He picked me too, Don.
You look like you were zoning in on an entry.
Yeah, I was looking at the chart. Five-minute break of the highs, 15-minute break of the highs, or the 15-minute flip. I don't want to take the 15-minute flip though. Or a 5-minute break of the highs. If it drives up, I should be able to get out at break even.
Stop muting. You don't have to mute yourself. Yeah. Oh, maybe you have to. What's up, man?
I was wondering why on like whenever it broke the range of 45, why like on the short, I guess the 5-minute 15, why we didn't take buys, or why you didn't take buys
When he came up
to
over
fill
here,
the range. Yeah, to fill this range right here.
I had no entries. The first 5 that closed outside, it closed at this first, so there's a resistance here, right?
Okay.
Running across. That's a smaller time frame resistance. It's relevant. Once we're in the middle of this range, there's no entries. This 5 had no bottom wick, so you're expecting a liquidity grab into maybe below 1945.4, and then maybe I consider an entry. But this candle barely had a bottom wick and drove up. There's just no entries here.
Okay. Word. Thank you.
Another thing here, if this 5 would have flipped here, that would have been
The
the
this
hourly
place has
flip
mashed
down.
potato bowl.
Wait, who's talking about mashed potato bowls? I'm hungry.
Mr. London.
No. Can you tell him to make me a mashed potato bowl too? Sounds delicious. I'll fucking sprinkle some fried chicken in there.
This is breaking the high.
All right, we tapped this area. I might think up sells at 49. We haven't come up there. We drove up, maybe.
You have 1948.164. I have 1947.510.
Yeah, because you have the hourly here. Right, boom. That's the hourly. But besides the fact that it's respecting the hour, at first I need to see it respect here, and then I want to see it start waking up above and the motion printed and coming back in range here on the 5. It could give you that in the next hour, but maybe just won't be on stream. I'm gonna call it a stream at 10 because I gotta go finish wrapping shit. But overall, there's just no entries for me right now. I'm waiting for it to get there and show me a sign of rejection. What's up? Appreciate your brother. Want to pop in and say hi. Have a good session. Thank you for coming through. Not sure who that is, but thank you for coming through. To make some for the chat as well. Where are these potatoes, dog?
No, I didn't have the potatoes.
Shoot. Wait, who's calling me? Yeah, my phone been dead the entire evening. Give me a second, gang. I gotta call somebody.
Chat, I think we're gonna have to do a shameless London flub.
Shoot.
2:30 a.m. EST for the London session. See you guys there.
I tried to send him to get some water earlier. He had 3 cups and I can't.
I had a cup. I had a can. And I had a bottle.
Any heard.
I heard what? No, I just got back. That's all I heard. What's up? How can I help you?
Wix is the weekly. If you look at the weekly, it's at resistance. So, like, not trying to guess direction, but if we get enough rejection right where we at, could it not fall?
Can. It's just the weekly is really bullish here. It's going to take a lot more than just one candle. It's going to take a lot for this weekly to start flipping
Tripling down.
Look at these dailies closing above. Driving up. Wait. Hold on. You can take it. Yes, you can take it, but you cannot draw on my close. You're not drawing anything, matter of fact. Here's a paper. Here's a paper right here. You can draw on. I'll give you a nice. Here. Nice paper, yeah. Wow, nice paper. I know, it's beautiful. Enjoy your paper. Hey, do me a favor. Close the door to my office while it's still my office. The way we're drawing right now, we would need today to come back and flip and respect this area. Respect 42,365. Close below it. Still might happen. See, we might reject here 4.8. We might reject a 5.3 overnight and come all the way back down if the daily closes below this range at 42.38. Yeah, then I can see us coming down. And even then, we want to close not just doji, we want to close bearish. We want to close below here, right? Really want to close bearish below there, something like this. If we can do this on the daily, see how it closed here like we did here. Hold up, if we can just match this high and come back down and flip bearish and close like this below this area, below 1940, then we can talk about the weekly flipping. This guy is trash. Man.
Fuck you and your badass attitude, all your negativity, and all that other shit. Keep that shit to your fucking self. You know on this side, we're fucking positive.
I'm saying. Damn. Can't do nothing these days. Did he just vanish? Yeah, magic trick. Green's a magician. You want to see him perform, he'll be doing these. He'll be here all year. All seasons, all cycles. All right. It's 10 minutes left in the hourly, and it's very late in this hour, so highly unlikely that it flips. Probably going to close with no bottom wick here. Now, if it closes with no top wick as well, we can look for sells on the next hourly top wick. If it closes above 48,164, you can start looking for bottom wicks to drive up. Are you using? Can anyone say? You are using, can anyone say? I'm gonna see this hourly close through. It's gonna be interesting. Probably not. Probably won't get anything, but should still be interesting.
Is anyone affected by the storm? Take that as a no.
What was that?
Was asking, was anyone affected by the storm?
I don't think any of them are anywhere near the storm. My office only. Word. No, it hasn't been impacted by this storm, by a previous one. Latest stoic. Yup. Going through now, but it's calm, just rain. All my house get fucked. Lucky house. No positions. We were in no position to take a position. Else in here? No one else. A tornado warning that started. It's alright, as long as it never came through. You recommend TD? Yes. Absolutely. How often would you say you get trades in Asian? Well, last week we had 4 trades. 4 out of the 5 days we had trades last week. The week before that, we also had 4 out of the 5 days trades. This week, we've had 0 in Asian. No, we had 1, I think, was break even, right? Or did we have 0? I think we had 1 break even trade this week. Come to the live every day. Yes, sir. Thank you. Drop a like before you leave, if you are dipping. You noted earlier this morning, you end up trickling up here, you'll probably drive down. The key is to understand that the drive comes in the volume time, so don't get stuck here at like 11:30 p.m. Eastern in like an hour and a half from now. Right, just ranging at this area. Because It happens so often. Like you position sets up, but because you're not in you're out of market time, you're out of volume time. It's still Asian, right? But just kind of lower volume between Asian and pre-London. So what happens is you might range at this resistance before making a decision instead of just driving off of it. I don't understand where you are or when you are. Someone tell me how long the trade lasts, how long can I leave it before it closes, or does it not close until I do it? All right, drop your lots. Close your trade right now, matter of fact. Drop your lots, and then reopen the trade, and then test it out, and play around with it. Only before we get 300 likes, we're at 299. They gatekeeping me from 300.
Break the lows, kick on.
There we go. You looking for a sell here?
Man.
Meh. I mean, why not? Don't let mine house stop you.
1947.699.
You're past that already.
Yeah, I'm in sales.
Oh, you already took it?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, took the top of the wick.
I figure if it went up, it has to come back to break even. It was a gamble. I used the small lot size.
Alright, 2 minutes here for this hourly.
And I'm
close.
scared of the hourly.
All right, now it's respecting. Right? There is a resistance here. Isn't all too bad. And the 4-hour doesn't have a bottom wick yet, right? So if you're expecting that bottom wick at some point tonight, if the hourly respects this area, and the next hourly right now in about 100 seconds starts off with no bottom wick, top wick, and starts rejecting, you'll see it start rejecting. Maybe we'll have a position, but I'm gonna be here for maybe another 5 or 10 minutes. I want to see how this opens. This room will no longer be with us. Say goodbye to the background. Yeah. All right, chat. We closed below on the hourly, and this hourly is coming right up. 4 hours just driving. Let's see. Candles without wicks just mean there's no more range in that direction, but we have a top wick. Right? The issue is not no wicks here. At the moment, we don't have a bottom wick. If that's what you're talking about, well, just look at the candles. Say 90% of them have have wicks in both directions. So. Typically, if you have a candle that closes with no wick, it means there's no more range that way. But if it opens with no wick and closes like that, like this one, the previous hourly with no bottom wick, typically the next hourly doesn't have to. Typically, it'll come down and make a wick for it before driving up. And it, like I said, doesn't have to, but it's typically high percentage of the time that's what happens. I don't want to pull a Dawn here, right? But open a position, leave the stream open. Yeah, I'm looking to see if we can come up above to 48.6. If we can do that, I might look for positions, but if we don't, especially if we close bearish here on the 15 and we can get a top wick. When you say position, you mean swing trades? No, not a swing trade. Watch your subs boost effortlessly. Security. Now you're forcing me to attend fencing classes. Step away from the charts. Let's see. Take a position and then another sell. It's not just for the sake of taking a position. It's not my position. I won't take it. Peace out, guys. Have a good night. Have a good night, Joe. Joe C. Hey, stop it. Stop. Gotta have a tissue. Go get a tissue, right? Thoughts on treating manager account 2 million worth 12% drawdown? What? I don't know. No thoughts on that. I'm not in that situation. I have no thoughts on that. No thoughts. You should be sleeping. Yeah, I'm thinking of, I think. Dipping on this 15. Yeah, I'm gonna wait this 15 through, see how it prints here, and because I think we might flip bullish here and tap 48.5, you know, 49 areas, still possible. So I want to see how this plays out here for now. Give me a second, gang. I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes, and we'll finish out the stream.
Janess.
Yeah, what's up? Oh, shameless, another shameless London session plug. Make sure to be there. One of the mods dropped a link.
2:30 a.m. Eastern.
2:30 a.m. Eastern time.
If you cannot sleep, Janez is screaming.
So,
how many plugs y'all got in today?
That was the second.
We've been busted
shameless
twice.
one.
That's funny.
You end up taking AUD USD sell. Nah, never came to my zone. What time is your stream? Sydney time, 4:30 p.m. How can you be awake for London, Asian, and New York session? In Sydney, all 3 sessions are like in the one day. So, yeah, right now it's 12 p.m. and then London sessions around 4:35 p.m. and then New York session starts around 8:39 p.m.
Perfect. Just trade all day, never leave your house. Ooh. This isn't bad.
All right, I'm moving to Sydney. Yeah, if you move here, then you gotta put up with 1-30 leverage, which is annoying. Yeah, you can't go anything above that for a regulated broker.
Respecting this area.
Wait, what? Can you explain? What the leverage? It's just if you're a Aussie citizen, like if you just live here, you gotta it's just the government rules. You can't go above 1-30. I think it's for them to protect new investors.
Yeah.
But you can always go like unregulated.
Yeah,
But it depends what you want to do.
Let's see how this 15 closes. Good that it's respecting this level right here, right? As I say that, it goes up above it. Flip in the last 20 seconds. I don't know. Well, in the US, you're not allowed to trade gold, huh? Over there, you have only 1-30 leverage. Think you're poison. Yeah, 15 close bearish. Respecting this area. The 5, if you see closed bullish, weak bullish, also respecting it. Get a nice top wick. Once again, thing is, you've had no higher time frame confirmations that you're gonna reject here, and I think for the hourly to start driving, it either needs to come up and grab liquidity at maybe 48, 49 areas, or you're gonna need the hourly to close bearish here, and then slowly, get these top wicks on the next hourly, the hourly after that. No, it's our song. Chat, I'm going to call it a stream here. I'm not taking positions here. I'm going to wait for pre-London to see if we can get something. Ideally, I want them at around 48.5. You might get them here. You might get a nice big top wick and a drive down. I know that's what Don wants to see. Don won. But tell me to take positions. It's going to need to come up higher. Thank you for coming through. Show up to Janez's stream. He might have some positions. Quite possibly. And I'll see you guys in the morning on Dombo's stream. God willing. And that's it. Let's say goodbye to this office. It's been an incredible 2 years in here. And next time I see you for Asian session, you guys will see a different background, a new office, right? And it served us. It did us well, right? Nice walls and everything. All right, gang. Let's rewind this. Yo, Zoom. I appreciate you for coming through. Don, Lloyd, Tino, Ed, Jazz.
Catch you later.
Stoic. Yep. I'll see you guys later on. Chat. Love and wisdom to you all. And you know the deal. Yep. Green said it. Let me rewind this for you guys. And just like that, another Asian session is in the books.